The switch allows you to turn your machinery on and off. It is a push-style switch that interrupts both the hot and neutral wires. After years of use, the switch can fail. It can be easily tested using a multimeter. Replacing the switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the old switch from the dust collector. The switch is secured to the collector with 2 screws. Now we can begin installing the new switch. First, I'll make sure I have the 2 switches oriented correctly. You'll notice that it says on and off on the buttons, and I have them aligned the same way. Now I'll begin transferring wires from the old switch to the new. With all of the wires connected to the new switch, I'll tuck the wires back into the box. I'll place the screws through the switch cover, align the screws with the holes in the switch, and re-secure the switch to the box. And now you know how to install a new switch in your woodworking machinery.